So goddamn gang, andito na naman si Ghostwriter ng Markadong Bungo. Ang dami nagsisend sa akin ito, man. Ang title nito ay Bomb Defuse. So i-defuse niya yung bomb. Ayan na naman bro, mukhang kilala ko na naman kung sino titirahin mo, Ghostwriter. God damn it, man. Bro, kakasabi ko lang sa inyo, diba? Patulugin nyo na yung tao, man. Pagpahingahin nyo naman. God damn it. Let's go.
It's your boy Ghostwriter back at it again with another classic. I know y'all
nagbabanta pa ng classic daw. Classic yung gagawin. God damn it. Ghostwriter bro, ayos-ayusin mo naman ngayon, okay? Maging mabait ka naman bro. Pagpahingahin mo naman bro, weekend.
Again with another classic. I know y'all familiar with this. So here we go. Ano ba sir? What? Kaya mo pa ba? Sa sarili mo naman ay maawa ka. Ilang ulit ko na sa'yong pinamuka. Sa distra ka na ito ay kawawa ka. Ang tigas naman kasi ng iyong panga. Pati yung mga sundalo ay dinamay na. Eka nga ni paring J.E. kay lamog na. Kaya ako nga sa'yo ni paring J.E. kay lamog na.
Okay, nagpakita pa talaga ng resibo si Ghostwriter. Sabi daw ni JR0, Ghostwriter 702, wala na. Lamog na. Grabe naman, may wag naman. Lamog na pala eh, bro. Pagpahingahin nyo naman, yung weekend, hindi ganyan. Okay, so just quiet.
Kaya kung ako sa'yo, tumaod ka na. Iwagayway mo na ang bandilang puti. At wag ka nang tumira pa muli. Cause I'm telling you right now, we can go a million rounds. Or you can just stop, or else I'll still be around. Cause like a good neighbor, Ghostwriter's here, hunting you with every track. Do I make myself clear?
Hunting you with every track. Do I make myself clear? God damn. Mukhang kaya ni Ghostwriter makipag-distractan hanggang sa dulo ng rap game na ito, man. God damn.
And I don't give a damn if you find out who I really am. Just stick to making songs with the rest of your fam. I'll make you quit forever.
Napakabait naman, napaka-sweet ng tono, di ba? Okay naman pala yung advice ni Ghostwriter. Continue making songs with your family. Maganda yung ano niya, message niya. Kaya lang ba't ganun yung chorus, napaka-sweet. Mr. Bomba, I'll make you quit forever. But parang love song yun. No! No! Ghostwriter bro, wag naman. Parang napaka-petty na nito. No! God damn. Di ko akalain bro, dahil sa kantang ito, napajiggy ako. Usually hindi ako sumasayo ng get the jiggy with it to Will Smith eh. God damn it, man. Usually ako KS dance lang ako, pero dahil dito sa chorus nyo, pati ako nadadamay na sa jiggy with it na eh. God damn it.
Kaya umayos ka, ha? Napagtripan lang kita, neighbor. In all honesty, I did you a favor. How does it feel, knowing that I live near? Didn't you say you were the one causing fear?
Okay, teka lang. So magkalapit lang kayo ng lugar dyan sa US? Ay, Ghostwriter, huwag mo naman takutin yung matanda. God. No!
I felt untouchable just because they ain't here. So go ahead, pretend like you can't hear. I'll be here, steady grinding your gear. At PT's down the road, steady enjoying a beer. You had a great career, okay man, I'll give you your flowers. But you got hella cocky like you got superpowers. So
okay, so binibigyan ka naman ng flowers ni Ghostwriter. Ginagalang naman niya kasi maganda naman daw yung takbo ng buhay mo. Kaya anong parang masyado ka na. Sumusobra ka na, yun ang ibig sabihin eh. Ghostwriter. Okay, so just play.
You yourself the time and from further embarrassment, cause what you did right there ain't no career embellishment. Your friends ain't making it better for you either. I think it's best for you to go smoke a blunt and take a breather, cause in this back and forth it's clear who's the winner. This ain't the last of me, we can go again whenever. I'll make you quit forever.
Ayun talaga. Yung kanta niya, alam mo yung parang mga pang-indie na mga kanta. Tapos may high pitch, may low pitch. Bro, sino nakapag-isip nito? Ghostwriter, ikaw ba o somebody from Imbing? Kasi talagang ganyang kalalakas bang asar itong mga to? Grabe. Isipin nyo gagawa kayo ng ganong hook. Napakaganda. Pwede nyo sana gawing hit yan eh. Pero talagang ginagawa nyo. No! God damn.
No, don't you ever diss us again.
May chiki-chiki pa. Chiki-chiki Slim Shady.
Kaya umayos ka, ha? So there you go. Now you know who this is.
Hoy!
Ano?
Ako ba?
Anong ikaw pa?
Gago ka talaga, Ghostwriter!
Hayaan mo na
Di ba
yan.
ako nakakatira?
Ay!
Ang damot mo
Ay,
talaga!
ewan ko sa'yo.
Buti na lang. Okay? Buti na lang Ghostwriter at hindi mo pinag-rap yung alter ego mo pa. Bro, narinig ko na mag-rap yung alter ego mo. Grabe, man. Sobrang brutal. Okay, so just play. Comment kayo sa mga goddamn gang kung anong masasabi nyo dito kay Ghostwriter. It is goddamn guy. It is goddamn house.